Hello guys. So if you're looking to add multiple stops on your Google map, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now firstly, what you have to do is just simply open your browser or go to your phone and open the Google Maps application. Then click on Google Maps or open the application. So I'm going to show you both the ways. So firstly, I'm going to show you the browser way. So firstly, open Google Maps over here and make sure you are logged in your Google account. So firstly, what you have to do is in the browser, just simply click on the directions icon over here. Then enter your location where you are going to start. After that, choose your final destination. Let's say I want to go to airport. Then I will choose the airport. Now as you can see, it chose a path for me. Now I will add multiple destinations between my journey. So in order for you to do that, just simply click on add destination over here. And let's say I want to go to first metro. Then click on metro. So this is the second stop that we are going to take, but to change the order, what you can do is just simply click on the 6 lines over here. So this is the second stop that we are going to go, but as you can see, it is crossing over here. Now, in order to fix this, what you can do is just simply drag and drop this part from the bottom to above the airport, because it is the final destination, and you will see that it rechanged itself. So the first stop, now second stop, and then the third stop. Now you can add more stops over here. So let's do that. Click on add destination, then add another destination, then add the another destination, then change it over here like this, how you want to place it. So now this is the first location, this is the second, the third, and finally the fourth. Now you can add another one. So total you can add is up to 9 or 8, so you can add them as you like. So click on again add destination, and for the last location I will go. So this will be my last location. Now as you can see, I have 5 locations to stop. So this is my first location where I'm going to start, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and the last one. So you can see on the map as well, the first location, the second location, the third, the fourth, and the fifth, and the final one. Now as you can see, this is how you can do in the browser. Now let me show you how you can do this in the application version as well. Now in the application version, click on the destination icon at the bottom right corner, then choose your location, then choose your final location, which is going to be airport. Now as you can see, it shows the route as usual. Now in order for you to actually add the stops, what you have to do is just simply click on the 3 dots at the top right, then click on add stops. Now add the second stop, which was metro station. Choose the metro station. As you can see, it is again overlapping. So in order to change this, what you have to do is simply click on the spot B, which you can see on the map over here, and also at the top over here. So choose that, hold that, and drag it over A, and that will become your first stop, as you can see right over here. Now do this for the second stop as well. Click on add stop, choose the third spot, then choose the location, choose the position in the chart, and make a third spot, and so on and so forth. So that's how you basically add stops in Google Maps. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.